Africa. And also we would like to thank our following sponsors, such as Beauty Parlor and Spa.
Why not? Why not?
Lipa First, Advertising and Marketing.
Gosh, gosh, bigosh.
And also Magic Placenta.
Thank you so much.
And also we would like to thank Golden Coco.
Meron ba tayo?
Croisy de la France Nation. Malwate Sur Leisure Park and Resort. FS Flowers by Sylvia.
Special mention, Sir Robert, Atty. Rayo, PC, Ma'am Cecil, and
Golden Coco.
Meron ba tayo ano sa placenta din?
And also Lima City Hotel. Wala ba kayong giveaways for us?
Para sa amin? Wala ba kayong giveaways? Mamaya! Meron na!
Hindi, papasok ko yung kailanganin.
Dito na po.
But for the meantime, siguro,
Where we go back?
icebreaker.
Icebreaker.
Oo, so tawagin naman natin ang lahat ng mga contestants or okay, sige, go. Ayan, just
Then
go.
we call back our 11 lovely candidates.
Digital! Okay, ang bilis ng affiliation score.
So after dito, yung pag-announce namin sa mga winners, please do stand by. Babalik pa po tayo sa ating
Racing along pa po tayo.
We would like to give thanks SGB, the official tabulator of our search for the night. Thank you so much. CC Flores and Valaya, the official auditing firm of the Binibining Pilipinas.
And I'd like to thank Red Jim, yes. Pinag-jijiman ko dito. Thank you so much.
Nagpasalamat sa Miramar Supermarket. Ang Miramar Supermarket, ang numero 1 mga department store sa Kabisayan. Miramar, natawag sa telepono, wala ko kabalo, ewan ko gato. And of course, Electric Green Paste. Ang Green Paste ay gamot sa diabetes, meningitis, o bumanta.
Okay, distribute natin ang kanilang mga certificate. The Library Lipa Comedy Bar presents this certificate of appreciation to all of our candidates for being one of our valued participants in this competition of the Ultimate Grand Bikini Open 2007 Battle of the Champions, given this 15th day of March 2007 at the Library Lipa Comedy Bar, Beacon Building, Lipa City. Operations Manager signed by Mr. Dennis Ariola and our show producer, Sherwin Lepuit.
Oh, terrific, terrific. At saka bigyan ko yung invites sa grand first anniversary ng Green and Zero.
Meron ka?
Meron ako. You like, si Miss Noyes, you like, okay.
Bigyan mo sa ulit, absent ulit ako.
Oo, sige na. Dahil Sunday kasi ito, if you have nothing to do, actually po, library is open from Monday to Sunday. Pero po, if you have friends in Manila, nagsasend po din kami sa lounge ng Zero. Sit ko ng anymore. First year anniversary po ng Green Hills Zero. This coming March 18 Sunday, grand celebration.
Wow!
Yes, si mga artista, Alan Gay, and Honor Philip Lazaro, natatantading sa EB Games, marami Star All-Star Cast.
At this point of time, we will announce the Mr. and Miss Magical Placenta. And to give the award, may we call Mr. Molly Kalingasan of Magical Placenta. Palapakan mo natin, Mr. Molly.
Mr. Molly! Okay.
Malamig na yan. Ngayon, ice, pwede ka mga.
Balat sa balat, mana sa nanay. Ang freshness.
Mabango, aminin mo. Nag-dudod siya ko.
Slide, may slide, chismis. Okay, ayan tagapilihan. Okay, kapilihan, placenta. Ayan, okay, placenta.
Jeez. Kami rin, dapat may ganyan.
Bibigyan ka ng
May lapis, oh.
pill box.
Boy, bigyan mo naman kami ng ganyan. Sabon ng ano ko yan eh.
Pwede ba yung lubricant?
Hanggang
Once again, to announce the winners for our Mr. and Miss Magical Placenta.
Tumuha dyan. 1, 2, 3, yan.
Wala bang fanfare dyan sa announcing of winners?
And to give the award Mr. Molly Kalingasan here of Magical Placenta. For Mr. Placenta! Mr. Placenta tayo. May we call on contestant number 2.
Mr. Placenta 2007. To be awarded by Mr. Molly and by Mr. Molly. Congratulations, contestant number 2. Are we at feature daw. Kami po kayo, Mr. Molly. Congratulations. Thank you, Mr. Molly. Kailan po kayo meron ka live Miss Placenta.
For Miss Placenta is contestant number, who's your bet? Our Miss Placenta is contestant number 6.
6! My God!
Congratulations, contestant number 6.
Okay.
Congratulations, contestant number 6 and contestant number 2 for our Mr. and Miss Placenta. And now, will we call on
Mixture.
me, Noemi Africa, and Jingjing Pernes.
Sa babae.
The second award is
Our, ano ba title nito? The Ultimate.
Grand.
The grand winner of the Ultimate Bikini Open Battle of the Champion.
Babae lang.
Diretso na!
We will announce first
Babae.
male.
Male.
Lalaki muna, but before that, I would like to invite everybody. I would like to take this opportunity of inviting everyone sa library ipa po. Magkakaroon ng show dito si Kuya Desma at saka si Lani Misalucha. Ang title po ng kanilang show ay Cool Lani. Ayan, okay, so thank you so much. Kasi summer na lumalabas yung mga sakit sa bala. Ang init kasi.
For our grand winner for the Absolute Bikini Goddess title holder.
God.
Male tayo, ha?
Lalaki.
Male category.
Male tayo, God tayo, God. Yes! Who's your bet? Who's your bet?
Sa
Male
male,
tayo.
sino? Sino ang gusto ninyo? Anong number? 1 may nagsasabi, number 1.
I would like to invite everyone to please watch Maging Sino Ka Man, ABS-CBN Kapamilya po.
Nandun ka?
Hindi, manunood lang. Kasi gusto ko sabay-sabay tayo.
Wala bang pin?
Go. And
Our
Sabi niyo na lang.
Absolute Bikini God title holder. Where we call on contestant number 3.
Contestant number 3, of course.
Of course, Miss Mimi Jacinto in the house.
Si Madam Nini magre-request ng kanta. Picture, picture.
Kiss! Kiss! Wow! Lagot! Lagot!
Alam ko, nakakaloka to.
thank you so much, Miss Chicky Holman Yulo.
Who's your bet for our Absolute Bikini Goddess title holder? Who's your bet?
Female category.
Wala kami pakialam. Okay, dito kami.
Who's your bet?
Six.
Babae tayo, babae, huwag tayong tatanga-tanga at huwag tayong magpati pag-uwi.
Chang, nakabayad na.